Hello, this is a quick demo for an analytics dashboard for decentralized exchanges, and it is powered by Covalent API. So this project is built with React, and it has been divided into components. So on the home page we have the bar chart component, and we also have the area chart component, and we have the card info component. So at the top, the interface and the features is very similar with what is available in most DEXs, which is liquidity and volume charts. But using the using the Covalent API, I'm also able to add the swap and some metadata such as the swap in 24 hours, PS fees, and the price of the network. So this is not a good example because of some spike in the data, and other analytics are pool analytics, which we load in a bit, and it is a table, and we have the pools in the name here, and each pool is a link, and we have volume, swap, fee, and liquidity. By default it is sorted by liquidity, but this table can be sorted by any column we want, such as volume. We can sort by name, ascending or descending. We can sort by any of the columns, and of course we can also navigate to the next page, last page, and so on and so forth. So each of these decks are links, and of course in the tokens page too, we also have a table which contains the tokens, their price, volume, and their liquidity. And then if you look at let's say USDC pool, so on the pool analytics tool, it's also similar with what you see on most DEXs such as Pancake Swap. It will load in a bit. So we have metadata such as swap, liquidity, volume, fees, and of course the amounts that are logged in this pool. And we can also view liquidity, we can view the volume, we can view swap, we can view price, and vice versa. And we can also view transactions over here. So we have three types of transactions. We have swaps, we have adding of liquidity, we have removing of liquidity, and we also have metadata such as the amount and the time. And of course we can also sort by any of the columns we want, and that's the basic feature for now. So the tokens page is still a work in progress, so that will come up very soon. And if we have another thing is some of these swaps and the actions, they actually have the link to the smart chain network, so that you can verify the transaction. And that's it. Thanks a lot.